Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, you know that all I want.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. So I got up this morning and exercised, which I haven't done in a while, and I feel so much better and so much more amazing. I did it for about 20 minutes because, you know, I haven't done it in a while, but it still feels great. I can't remember the last time my body felt so good. It's something that I have to get back into and start back doing. What else? Okay, plans to stay. I have to go get something right now. Rest of the day, going to finish at a workout outfit. We have a long sleeve jacket because the place is hella cold. Then I have my sports bra underneath and just these leggings and some shoes. I love these leggings, y'all. I actually did that colorful thing. But yeah, that's my outfit. I really did not buy a lot of things this year, but I just decided to buy a few things for a few very important people, and that's it. I do want to buy a couple more, but that'll be like after Christmas gifts. Look at what I have, guys. I am so hungry. I didn't even eat lunch properly. I ate like quarter of my lunch because I just didn't want to eat. But look at what I decided to make. I made chow. And I made the weirdest combination ever. So there are Portugals and apples in there. But this is going to be a meal for me. I know I'm so weird, but... It is 20 past 4. I'm here waiting for Mahesh because I have to pick him up. He is coming to spend a little bit of time with me. I think later, most likely, I have to do some baking. I am trying my best to get all the videos up today. I already finished editing 2 videos so far. It just needs to like finish upload. I need to get the thumbnail for one of them. In addition to that, I'm just here being bored. I hate to wait, guys. I have the least patience ever. If you guys don't know me, I have the worst patience ever, and that's something I really need to work on because my patience is horrible. But with my current field, I will need to learn to have a lot of patience. 11 and today was a pretty packed day, but I'm gonna take this time to end this vlog here. What I'm doing right now is finishing up a little bit of editing and uploading some past vlogs, and
about my friend named Annie.
yeah.
No,
So this is the end of today's vlog, and tomorrow you will see the last two vlogs being up in order, and then I think tomorrow would actually be the last vlog, guys. Tomorrow is actually pretty much last.
Yeah, she waiting for me to come by. I come for the bone, girl. You know I love that to eat. So great, because